Hello everyone, my name is Anuja Shrivastava and I welcome you all in class 7 chemistry class. Today I am going to carry forward the rest of the topic of chapter elements, compound and mixtures. In previous video I told you about the mixtures, so related to that I will start the next topic, that is types of mixture. So if we will talk about types of mixture, so I have written over here, mixture can be of solid-solid, that means two solid particles are going to form mixture, just like a small stone in rice and dal. The solid liquid mixture, that means solid और liquid मिलके mixture बना रहे हैं, just like water and sugar or salt. Next is solid and gas mixture, that means solid is going to mix in the gas, just like smoke. Smoke is basically gas in which suspended dirt particles are also there, dust particles. Now the liquid mixture, just like alcohol in water. Then after the गैस एंड लिक्विड मिक्सचर, गैस और लिक्विड मिलकर के मिक्सचर बनाना, जस्ट लाइक ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर. एंड लास्ट वन इज द गैस मिक्सचर, की गैसेस का मिक्सचर हो रहा है, जस्ट लाइक नेचुरल गैस, water gas, etc. Okay, so these are the types of mixture, but the basically mixture is of two types, as I told you in my previous video. First is the homogeneous mixture and another is the heterogeneous mixture. So first I will tell you about homogeneous mixture. Now, if we will talk about the homogeneous mixture, it is a type of mixture in which components are distributed uniformly throughout. That means जो भी component mixture बना रहे हैं वो uniformly पूरे उसमें mix रहेंगे और इनको easily individually separate करना it is very difficult. So, a mixture in which components are uniformly distributed, या आप लिख लीजिए components are distributed uniformly throughout. That means वो इतनी अच्छी तरीके से मिक्स होंगे कि इनको ईजिली और अलग अलग सेपरेट करना मुश्किल होगा. So homogeneous mixture, it is furtherly divided into two types. First is the solution. That means solution is a type of homogeneous mixture. Or solution, what is solution? That means one substance which is dissolved in the another substance completely, that is the solution. That means two or more substance dissolve. What is solution? It is a homogeneous mixture in which two or more substance dissolve. Just like the substance which is dissolved in water, that is the substance which is dissolved, that is known as solute, and in which the substance dissolved, that is known as the solvent. That means if I will take the example sugar, and sugar is mixes in water, so sugar is the solute water is the solvent and they combine to form sugar syrup, which is a solution. Okay, so this is the example of solution. Next type of homogeneous mixture is alloy. Next type of homogeneous mixture is alloy. So what is alloy? Alloy, it is also a homogeneous mixture in which a metal is mixes with the other metal or other non-metal. That means it is a homogeneous mixture of metal with other metal or non-metal. Here what happened, these are going to heat at a very high temperature for the solidification. उनको बहुत high temperature पे heat किया जाता है. So suppose I will take the example. So if I will take the example of gold. So gold, it is an alloy of copper and gold. That means gold is a mixture of copper and gold. If I will take the example of bronze. So bronze, it is a alloy of copper, tin and aluminium. Copper, tin or aluminium. Okay, now next move towards the another type of mixture, that is the heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. So when we will talk about the heterogeneous mixture, a mixture in which components are distributed, यहाँ uniformly था, अब हो जाएगा non uniformly. That means a component of a mixture distributed non uniformly, that is known as the heterogeneous mixture. A mixture in which components are distributed non uniformly. अभी तक आपने क्या पढ़ा था कि मिक्सचर क्या हो रहे थे, कम्प्लीटली एक दूसरे में डिसॉल्व हो गए थे, उनको ईजिली सेपरेट करना मुश्किल था. पर यहाँ पर क्या है कि यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, अ मिक्सचर इन विच कंपोनेंट्स आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड नॉन यूनिफॉर्मली इज कॉल्ड द heterogeneous mixture. Now heterogeneous mixture is again two type. First is the suspension. First is the suspension. So what is suspension? Suspension, it is a mixture in which components does not dissolve completely. मतलब इसमें जो मिक्सचर होगा वो पूरी तरीके से डिसॉल्व नहीं होगा, और अगर उनको एक जगह पर सेटल डाउन आप कर देंगे तो वो लिक्विड और जो सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट क्या है अलग अलग आपको दिखने लगेगा. दैट मीन इट इज अ मिक्सचर in which components does not dissolve completely into another component. दैट मीन्स इफ़ आई विल टेक द एग्जाम्पल, अगर चौक का पाउडर आप बनाते हैं, इफ यू मेक अ पाउडर ऑफ chalk and that is going to dissolve in water, so keep that solution undisturbed for some time, so you will easily observe that water is clearly observed and the chalk particles are settled at the base. That means chalk in water, this is the example. Mud in water, one more example is there, just like dust in air. So let's see the another type of heterogeneous mixture, that is the emulsion. Second type of heterogeneous mixture is emulsion. Emulsion is nothing, first I am going to give you one example. Just take a water, 2-3 spoon of water and 2 spoon of oil and mix it. You are trying to mix it but it is not going to mix, it forms an emulsion. That means emulsion, it is a type of mixture in which 2 or more normally immiscible liquids are there, जो आपस में mix ही नहीं हो रहे हैं. It is a mixture of 2 or more normally immiscible liquid. Just I gave you example, the oil and water form emulsion. So this is all about the today's topic. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.